think that's the little girl who lives down the lane, but I'm not positive. I think we're at about 3 weeks by now that he's been having this issue with the hands, and where it started with the one hand, if I count when it started with the one hand, it's got to be at least 3 weeks. I remember I didn't see him for a couple days after he came in the house one day with the really bad hand, the left one, and I didn't think I was going to see him again. I prayed, you know. Now I see him every day. He's more faithful about coming here than a lot of other squirrels, and what it must take to get here, I don't even know. But I'm so glad he does. Checks in, lets me know he's okay, and gets some food and water. I just saw him at the water bowl right before this nut. I'm here with Pippi, and she's getting her furtive morning food before squirrels start trying to take over her place, and she has to stay in lockdown all day long. So she's up here eating. The thing is this happened yesterday too. Her shells fall in the water bowl. Maybe they like the smell of a little nutty water. That one's all right. He's got a place to live, or she. I know where that one lives. It's not riffraff. And Pippi knows it too. Otherwise she wouldn't be so calm. Just gonna get some water. I just did that water about an hour ago, so it should be okay temperature wise. It's freezing out here. Well, maybe not. Maybe it got really cold, I don't know. Pippi in all of her morning glory. The moon is still out. It's a beautiful moon, kind of obstructed by trees there. There's the moon in a little heart frame, sort of. It's still kind of dark, but not really dark. And I've gotten back from my morning run, and I came in the house, and I was on another floor, and I'd opened the door here, came back into the room, and there was Pippi. Up before everyone. I don't post much on the birds, but that sound is the birds telling me to get the breakfast out. Now they're quiet. They were screaming at me. There's someone saying, Amy, what's up? You hear the birds? When I stand over here, they know food's coming. It's like being famous. I'm approaching the stage. All right, this has become like a nightly ritual for Condo Girl and myself. There she is. Usually towards the end of the night, I go out to her tree with her. But for now, we stay on the deck. She gonna come up? There she is. Yeah, I was gonna say, she usually sits on my lap when we do this. There she is. The birds started the alert and the squirrels picked up on it. Splunk is here again. I don't really know where we are on the timeline. It's definitely been at least 3 weeks. Splunk is here. He seems in good spirits today. We're having good weather. He doesn't come near me like he did. He was taking from my hand for a while, but now he's not. I've wondered if they have instincts about not wanting to spread what they have in case it's contagious, or if it's just a self-protection mechanism to make sure nothing gets any worse. Okay, stay away from Splunk now. So he comes a long way to get you. Here's Rover now. I wondered why she ran right past me and ran into the front yard, ran under the tarps, so she's having a good time with those front yard tarps. The tents over the juniper bushes are a hit, definitely. I did them to deter deer, but the squirrels are loving them. Here's Mr. Splunk. How you doing, Spunky? I pray for him every night. Nothing will make you a believer out of necessity like loving squirrels. When you have outdoor animals, you gotta believe in something. You can't just leave it all up to fate. Look at him looking me in the eye. Yeah, he is so cute. He's always been cute. Little Spunky. Little Spunky, you gonna take from my hand? Let's not. You ready, Spunky? Oops, I'm sorry. I suck. Did you get it? You got it.